Hi everyone, in a previous classes we learned that operations on rational numbers, properties of rational numbers, and additive identity, multiplicative identity, additive inverse, multiplicative inverse. These all we learned. Now let solve the solutions from exercise 1.1. So first what is the bit, that is name the property involved in the following examples. So we have to write the which property in this question. So we have to now find it. Now here 8 by 5 plus 0 equal to 8 by 5 equal to 0 plus 8 by 5. So already I said that if we add any number to the 0, same number only you will get. That 0 is a identity. Which identity? Additive identity I said. Now let's write the answer, that is a additive identity. Now second one, 2 of 3 by 5 plus 1 by 2 equal to 2 of 3 by 5 plus 2 of 1 by 2. We learned that all properties. So which property it is belongs to? Now once observe here, 2 of some bracket is there. This is for let A, B plus C. Now A of B plus C, already I said that in a property that is distributed. Here A is, we are distributing to B and A is distributing to C. Okay now this 2 is distributing, means 2 is a multiplication with 3 by 5 and here plus 2 also multiplication with 1 by 2. So that's why this is the distribution. We are this 2 we are distributing to remaining fractions. So that's why that answer is a distributive law. Distributive law. And which of addition. Addition we are doing now. Distributive law of addition. And next third one answer, 3 by 7 into 1 equal to 3 by 7 equal to 1 into 3 by 7. Already we said I said that any fraction, if you multiplied any fraction with a 1, you will get same number, no? That is a multiplication we are doing, no? With 1. Here what is that? Multiplicative identity. What? Multiplicative identity. 1 is a multiplicative identity, no? So here we are using a 1 only, no? So that's why multiplicative identity. Now let's know that is a fourth sum answer, minus 2 by 5 into 1 equal to minus 2 by 5 equal to 1 into minus 2 by 5. These both are same. Look like now here they given only fraction is a different. Instead of 3 by 7 here they given minus 2 by 5. So this also same multiplicative identity. Multiplicative identity. Next fifth one, 2 by 5 plus 3 by 2 equal to 1 by 3 plus 2 by 5. Here if you compare with that is a 2 by 5 is a plus 3 by 1 by 3 is a B equal to 1 by 3 is already B, we said, no? B plus 2 by 5 is already we said that A. So A plus B equal to B plus say A. What is the property here? Which property? Which property? Commutative property. Commutative law of addition. What is there here? Addition, no? So that's why commutative law of addition. Now A plus B, we are changing the positions. That's it. We are in which property we are changing the positions? Only commutative property. So that's why this is addition, no? Commutative law of addition. Next, sixth one, 5 by 2 into 3 by 7 equal to 15 by 14. Here LHS is a 2 numbers is there and RHS is a only 1 number is there. That is a letter 5 by 2 let A into 3 by 7 equal to 15 by 14. Now let 5 by 2 is a 3 by 7 is a B. If the product of two rational numbers is a rational number, which is a property? That is a closure property in multiplication. Closure property in multiplication. If it is a addition means that is a closure property under addition. Okay. Now let do that seventh sum, that is 7a plus of minus 7a equal to 0. If we add one positive and one negative value means that same number. Here 7a is a positive number. That additive inverse of 7a is a minus 7a. So what is that property? Additive inverse. Okay, 7a additive inverse is a minus 7a. So that's why that is a additive inverse. That one number's additive inverse, the sum of number and its additive inverse is a 0. The sum of a number and its additive inverse is a 0. That is a additive property here used here. Next, one number, the product of one number and its multiplicative inverse. The product of one number and its multiplicative inverse is a 1. Here x is a 1 number. Its multiplicative inverse 1 by x, no? So if the product of the two numbers, that is a 1 number and its multiplicative inverse is a 1. So that's why this is a multiplicative inverse, means x multiplicative inverse is a 1 by x. X multiplicative inverse is a 1 by x. So that's why this property is a multiplicative inverse. Next, last ninth one, 2 into x plus 2 into 6 equal to 2 into of x plus 6. Here the given LHS RHS are different, means other side they given. Here this one is a x means LHS, this one is a into of b plus c. A into of b plus c. Now here a distributing to b and c, no? A into b and a into c. So that is what distributive law. What distributive law? Okay, these are first bit problems. First bit questions. Only questions are about properties. Next, second one, write the additive and the multiplicative inverse of the following. So for this question we have to write additive inverse and multiplicative inverse. Additive inverse means you have to only focus on it is a positive or negative. That's it. Okay, now this is a negative number and we have to write a positive number. That's it. Additive inverse. Okay, next multiplicative inverse, you have to focus on numerator and denominator. That's it. Numerator and denominator. 3 by 5 is there, no? Now let will become, this is a 5 by 3. Now minus symbol we have to put as it is. Next, second one, 1. Additive inverse. Additive inverse. Additive inverse means I said already that focus on only that is a positive or negative. Now this 1 is a positive, no? We have to write a negative 1. And multiplicative inverse means we have to focus on numerator and denominator. Here 1 is a numerator. If anything not there means that is a denominator also 1. 1 by 1 is a 1 only. 1 multiplicative inverse 1 only. 1 additive inverse minus 1. And next 0. 0 additive inverse 0 only. Plus 0 minus 0 nothing is there, no? That is a plus 0 minus 0 means only 0. We have to write only 0. Okay, and next multiplicative inverse 0. Here anything not there means divided by 1, no? So multiplicative inverse we can write 1 by 0. 1 by 0 means that what does not exist. otherwise not defined. Does not exist the value, we can't defined. So multiplicative inverse of 0 is a does not exist the value. Okay, and next additive inverse of 0, 0 only. Next 7 by 9. 7 by 9 additive inverse, we have to focus on only plus or minus. So this is a positive symbol, no? A positive fraction, no? So we have to write to minus 7 by 9. That is a negative rational number. Next multiplicative inverse. Multiplicative inverse means we have to focus on the numerator and denominator. So 7 is a numerator, we have to write in the denominator place. 9 is a numerator, we have to write in the numerator place. That is a positive, no? Positive only we should write. Don't write any changes that addition or means signs that is a positive or negative in a multiplicative inverse. So you have to remember like this. Additive inverse means you have to focus on a positive or negative number, and multiplicative inverse means you have to focus on numerator or denominator. Okay, and next minus 1. Minus 1 anything not there means minus 1 by 1. Additive inverse of minus 1 is a 1. It is a negative number, no? We have to write positive number. Multiplicative inverse minus 1 by 1 means minus 1 only. Minus 1 by 1, minus 1 by 1 both are same, no? So minus 1 only. This is a first and second bits in the textbook they have given, no? That is a first and second bits. Now we solved. Next we solved exercise 1.1 first bit, second bit. Now we have to solve that third bit to fill in the blanks. Now minus 1 by 17 plus dash equal to minus 12 by 5 plus minus 1 by 17. Now here if you observe here, this is LHS, this is RHS. Now in LHS minus 1 by 17, minus 1 by 17 is there, but minus 1 by 17 in LHS first fraction is there, means first rational number is there. In RHS last rational number is there. So here if we add to which number you will get these two numbers, this only will be represent, no? This only here we have to add, no? Minus 12 by 5. Now we are changing the position, so this is a commutative property. Okay, now second one minus 2 by 3 plus dash equal to minus 2 by 3. So if we add which number to the minus 2 by 3, we will get minus 2 by 3. Means same number we will get. Which number? Already I said that that is the additive identity 0. If we add to the any rational number, you will get same rational number. That is the additive identity. So if we add 0 to the minus 2 by 3, you will get only minus 2 by 3. And next third one, 1 into dash equal to 9 by 11. If we multiply with 1 any number, you will get the same number only, no? So here RHS is a 9 by 11, so we have to do multiplication with 1 same number, 9 by 11. Next fourth one, here minus 12 plus of 5 by 6 plus 6 by 7 equal to minus 12 plus 5 by 6 plus dash. So if you observe here minus 12 plus is there, here plus is there, here plus is there. So if you let this one 12 is a A plus of 5 by 6 is a B plus 6 by 7 is a C equal to here A, now minus 12 means A, no? A plus 5 by 6 is a B in the bracket plus dash means that is a C. C value what? 6 by 7 only you will get. This is a associative property under addition. This is a associative property under addition. Next fifth one, here dash into 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3 equal to 3 by 4 into 1 by 2 plus 3 by 4 into 1 dash. Okay, here 3 by 2 repeated, no? If you observe here, this is a like a distributive property. That is a here you will get only 3 by 4. Now we have to distribute with 1 by 2 and distribute with 1 by 3. So 3 by 4 into 1 by 2. Okay, now we have to distribute with 1 by 3. 3 by 4 already given. Next, what is the number we have to write? 1 by 3. Next, here minus 16 by 7 plus dash equal to minus 16 by 7. If we add to this fraction, same fraction will be get. Now which one we have to add it? That is a additive identity 0. If we add to the any rational number 0, same number will be get, that is a additive identity. Now we completed that first bit, second bit and third bit. Let now we are going to solve the remaining problems. Next, let's solve the fourth sum, that is a multiply 2 by 11 by the reciprocal of minus 5 by 14. Now solution, multiply 2 by 11 by the reciprocal of minus 5 by 14. So now multiply means we have to do multiplication by 2 by 11. 2 by 11 multiplication we have to do, no, into which reciprocal of this fraction. Reciprocal and multiplicative inverse both are same. So into reciprocal of minus 5 by 14. Reciprocal and multiplicative inverse both are same. Okay, reciprocal or multiplicative inverse both are same. Now here what we have to do, first to read the question properly, then after you can solve easily. And multiply 2 by 11 by the reciprocal of minus 5 by 14. So we have to do multiplication. Here we can understand that multiply means multiplication. 2 by 11. So 2 by 11 multiplication means into which number reciprocal? This fraction reciprocal. Reciprocal of means this number we have to take. So reciprocal of this number. So now 2 by 11 into, I am writing as it is, 2 by 11 into reciprocal of minus 5 by 14. So reciprocal means multiplicative inverse, no? In a previous class, in this before only we learnt, no, multiplicative inverse means what? We have to focus on only numerator and denominator. So here minus 5 is a numerator, 14 is a denominator. So denominator we have to write in the position of numerator, and numerator we have to write in the position of denominator. Now here minus is there, no, minus always we have to put in front of numerator only. Now this reciprocal we written. Now do the multiplication. Multiplication, fractions multiplication, how to do? Numerator into numerator, the product of numerators and the product of denominators. So what will be here? 2 14s are 28. Here minus is there, no? Plus into minus, minus. 11 5s are 55. What is the answer now? Minus 28. What is the answer? Minus 28 by 55. Okay, once again I am explaining. Multiply 2 by 5 by the reciprocal of minus 5 by 14. So here we have to do multiplication 2 by 11 into reciprocal of which fraction? Minus 5 by 14. 2 by 11 into minus 14 by 5. Reciprocal of 5 by 14 is a 14 by 5. Okay. Now product of fractions, already I said that operations on rational numbers, that is a product of numerators by product of denominators. Now 2 into 14 by 11 into 5. 2 14s are 28. 11 5s are 55. Now this is our answer. Next, fifth sum. Which properties can be used in computing 2 by 5 into of 5 by 6, 5 into 7 by 6 plus 1 by 3 into of 3 into 4 by 11. So which property we can use, we have to write in this solution. Now if you observe here, 2 by 5, let A into 5 is a B into 7 by 6 is a C. So this is a bracket, in the bracket is there, no? So if you observe here, this is a which property it is look like? That is a associative property. So we can write here A into B into C. So by which property? By associative property, which is there in multiplication. Associative property in multiplication. So we can write like this: A into B of into C. So A into B, I have written already here, A into B of, for this bracket, into 7 by 6. Same here also, observe here, this also A into of B into C. So we can write A into B of into C. Okay na? 1 by 3 into 3 of 4 by 11. And next, if you observe here, here 2 is there, no? If you take 2 common, remaining what is there? 1 by 5. 2 into 1, 2. 2 by 5, same number will be get, no? Into 5 by 5 into 7 by 6 I have written as it is, plus this one already I have written as it is. Now if you observe here, this one which property? 5 is a one number and its multiplicative inverse is a 1 by 5. So product of one number and its multiplicative inverse is a 1. So that what? Multiplicative inverse law. Which one? Multiplicative inverse. So if we do the product of one number and its multiplication, you will get 1. So I have written here 2 into 1 means 1 by 5 into 5, that is a 1 only, into 7 by 6 I have written as it is, plus 1 by 3 into 3 also 1. Okay, product of one number and its multiplicative inverse is a 1 into 4 by 11. I have written already as it is. Now here 2 into 1, 2 only, into 7 by 6 plus 1 into 4 by 11. 2 into 1, 2 only, no? So 2 1s are 2. This is a numerator, this is a denominator. We can do cancellation. 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6. What is the number it is remaining? 7 by 3 plus 4 by 11, right, as it is. Now it is a which property? It is a plus B equal to, what will be get? Rational number. So which property? By closure property. By closure property in a addition, which here place is there, no? So that's why addition. So what will be there? Here we have to do just addition. These two fractions is there, no? Addition. Addition, how to do fraction? Already I said that do cross multiplication. 7 into 11. Which number? This is a 4 by 11 is a numerator, denominator is there, no? This denominator we have to do multiplication with the numerator and denominator. 7 into 11 divided by 3 into 11 plus this numerator, this denominator, what is there? 3. So with 3 we have to do multiplication with another fraction, numerator and denominator. So that's why 4 into 3 by 11 into 3. 7 11s are 77, 3 11s are 33 plus 4 3s are 12, 11 3s are 33. Now 33 both the denominators are same, so that's why these both are like fractions. We can do addition is a easily, that is a numerators addition. So divided the by is a 33 and 77 plus 12. So what is the number? 77 plus 12, that is a 89 by 33. This is our answer. And now which properties we used in this solution? Associative property, associative law in multiplication, multiplicative inverse, closure property in addition. What? Total we used by solving this solution 4 properties. First one is a multiplicative law in associative law in multiplication. Next one, but multiplicative inverse. Next one is there, no, one is a multiplicative identity, no, so multiplicative identity. Next, closure property in addition. These four properties we used by solving the fifth solution. Okay, if you like the video, please like, share and subscribe. If you want more videos, if you want to continue this process, please support me. And the next remaining solutions that I will explain next class.